So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the main jet out right here. Okay, what you need to do to turn your carb so you don't have to pull it to get to the pilot screw or to the main jet. So if you just want to change the setting on your pilot screw, is you just take these off, leave this intact. You don't need to do anything with this. So loosen these up. Take these off right here, both of those. You'll figure it out. You might have to twist the throttle. I know you do this one first, this one second. Like when you turn, then you're going to free up a lot of slack. And then you'll be able to get these off. Then you take your vents off the bottom, loosen up your clamps, and rotate this direction toward you. So you want the bottom to go to the other side of the bike, the bottom to go to the left side of the bike. Then you've got access to your main jet and your pilot screw. Now if your pilot screw still has that plug in it and your T-dub is hard starting, that is the reason why. So you drill that plug out, and mine was set at a turn and an eighth. I changed it to 2, and I put the 130 main jet in. I'm going to give this a try. It's pretty quick. I mean, I can do this project in 10 minutes, maybe if I go real quick, 15 minutes, to just make those changes. So about 60s top end on the 55 2 sprocket. 55 is pretty comfortable. That's 4th gear. It's 54 degrees, it says there. Man, this is a warm ride. I think 65 is like the perfect riding temperature. Definitely not 18 below. That sucks. Oh.